to your screen. You know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on to test me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling.
That's a no.
On the lookout for Captain Saberhow, cause he's saving how.
Should I say how? I wanna be saved.
Should I say how?
I wanna be saved.
Why can't I get this cage open?
It slides.
Obviously.
She takes that stupid baby everywhere.
He gave me the diamond you cheat. Lady boner gone. He dry humping me and huffing like a dog. And he whispered, in my brain, don't give a fuck.
I'm headed straight for the floor.
I know what you want to hear. I know you want me, baby. I think I want you too.
I think I love you, baby.
I think I love you too.
Take it off.
Show my face.
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Are you ugly?
Quite the opposite.
You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready?
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on!
Master.
to heart.
This isn't chicken, right? Because I don't do chicken. Everybody knows that.
Those are yak chops. The other white meat.
Great. I never do chicken. I don't eat.
And they all fell to their knees and begged that drifter, begged him please, as he raised his fist before he spoke. I am the righteous hand of God, and I am the devil that you forgot.
There's no going back.
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer.
But I said, watch it burn as I touch the base. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. My name is Brutus and my name means heavy. So with a heavy heart I'll dive a stagger into the heart of my enemy. My whole life you were a teacher and friend to me. Please know my actions are not motivated only by envy. I too have a destiny. This death will be yours. The people will speak of this day from fear and applaud. This event will be history, and I'll be great too. I don't want what you have, I wanna be you.
I had a boy, and his name was Ethan. I got a name. My name was Bailey. I knew he needed me, and I needed him too.
Rising. Poison.
My heart is yours. See that I hold on to. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there, you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear.
We about to clown. Why? 'Cause it's about to go down. Swing your partner round and round. End of the night is going down. One more shot, another round. End of the night is going down.
Pop culture was in arts now, arts and pop culture in me. I live for the applause, applause, applause. I live for the applause, applause, live for the applause, applause, live for the way that you cheer and scream for me. The applause, applause, applause.
Playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it. Looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, how dare you! That was a low blow. No, you are not getting away.
I'm in a field